The Ciyivak 18-inch ground anchors are a comprehensive solution for securing various outdoor structures, thanks to their complete kit that includes everything from ground anchors to necessary tools. These anchors are specifically designed to provide exceptional grip, ensuring that structures remain secure even during high winds, making them suitable for a wide range of applications, such as mobile homes and trampolines. Installation is a breeze with the included drill adapter, allowing for quick setup whether you are using it for trampolines or as part of a backyard anchor system. Constructed from solid steel, the spiral design of these anchors ensures robust performance, while their weather-resistant coating allows for reliable use throughout the year. The versatility of this anchor kit makes it suitable for various soil types, including soft soil, sand, clay, and gravel, providing long-term stability for your outdoor needs. No matter the season, this heavy-duty anchor kit offers peace of mind with its ability to secure everything from holiday decorations to inflatables, adapting to all weather conditions.